Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Snoopy Woodstock telephone. This is Brian's equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And Brian just went ahead and sent in the bottom base unit with the keypad, network, hook switch, and the bell and bell circuit, along with the handset. That's all we need. We do not need the upper portion of Snoopy. It also makes it a lot simpler to ship this unit. Now we have a note with Snoopy, and we know that this telephone is not dialing out. But while the unit is in the shop, we want to go ahead and go through the transmit, the receive, the bell circuit, the hook switch, the network, and the keypad. We also want to troubleshoot the issue with not being able to dial out. And we know this unit does not have a polarity protect circuit, so we also want to install a polarity protect circuit while the unit is in the shop. Now we're going to do some still pictures of this telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool original style Snoopy telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. So now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out Totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. Today is Thursday, February 1st. The current time, 5:02 p.m. and the temperature, 32 degrees.
We'll go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool original style Snoopy telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Brian and he can enjoy this really cool telephone. Snoopy is highly collectible, very sought after, and I'm sure he's going to look great no matter where he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.